Okay, Tyler at it again. I stole the show from it because I want to show you guys something really cool, really awesome that we got. These things. These things are awesome. They're called Milwaukee Packout cases, and oh my goodness, I'm in love. They're great. You got tons of storage, and then like the lid, it clicks so it doesn't fall, and no squishing fingers. Got bins that go in this one, and they're great for organization. The latches are far stronger than like any of the DeWalt stuff we've had. And like you've got so much more storage. We got like little bins in here, and it's awesome. And then they got like these bags and stuff, and these bags on the bottom, they also latch onto the tops of these cases. So that way you like don't have to worry about like where are you gonna put this one. You can just stack it on top of the other ones. And then you got ones like these ones. These ones are really cool. I like these ones. Just open them and look it. It's all nice and organized. We used to have a DeWalt case just filled with tons of random screws that someone named Alex, I'm talking to you. He's ignoring me. But he used to just like throw screws in the cases, and we could never find what we were looking for. But now that we have these Milwaukee cases, it's wonderful. And then this is where it comes in really cool. So wait, here. Oh god, camera. So, see, they click in, they lock, and all you have to do, click that button, and it slides right out and lifts up. They are amazing. 10 out of 10. I absolutely love them. Like, we saw them in Home Depot one day, and I was just like, what are these? Well, these look cool. I started looking at them, and I fell in love. They're strong, they're durable. We've been beating the hell out of them, and they have just been phenomenal. We love our DeWalt stuff, but these cases are amazing. They are great. 10 out of 10, I would recommend. They are great. They are wonderful. Buy some today. And Milwaukee, if you're watching this,